I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, had me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands.
Hey, I'm ALBO, and I love JDM cars and culture. In each episode in this multi-channel crossover series, I'll go on car adventures around Japan with Captain Bradford from JDM Masters, along with our car club and fellow YouTubers Japonic, Samit, Dustin Williams, and others. Join us as we do car stuff, explore Japanese culture, and show you what it's really like in the land of the rising sun. This is our JDM Life, and we are the Super JDM Bros.
この番組はご覧のスポンサーの提供でお送りしました。
Hey guys, in today's video we're gonna head over to Umihotaru, a parking area in the middle of the ocean where we're gonna meet up with Stan to check out his upgraded DC2 and hang out with the rest of the gang. So this is Umihotaru, and as you can see, it's basically, it looks like a giant cruise ship in the middle of the ocean. It's a really interesting design, very cool. Look who it is! It's our boy Stan. It's been a while. Alright. Looking good. You too. What's up, brother?
How are you doing?
Good. But
Yeah.
it's been quite a while.
Have you seen the new engine and everything?
Nope.
No.
Nope.
Well, I guess.
I guess you could
guess.
give me a peek.
Shikatanai.
So you might have seen this guy in one of my previous videos. He's the guy who, how do I even explain it? He wired his GC8 to play Eurobeat once he floors the gas pedal. It's the most ridiculous mod ever. You can check it out in this video.
This is just a normal car
Yeah.
compared to the GC8. Computer-wise, well, not anymore, but I mean,
So tell us, what are we looking at here?
1.9 liter Toda built
1.9 liter. Wow.
engine. So it's a 1.8.
Usually
bored
1.6, right?
up. 1.8.
Okay.
DC2s are 1.8 and bored up.
Yep.
1.9 with Toda parts.
Ooh.
It's super sluggish at low RPM, but like from 6,000-ish, it feels like a turbo car.
Once the turbo kicks in, right?
Yeah. Well,
Once
the
the
non-existent turbo kicks in.
the VTEC.
VTEC, I don't even feel the difference anymore.
Really?
Like it's like at 5,000 because it still uses the Spoon ECU with another HKS on top of it. So VTEC kicks in and like nothing happens but sound.
Yep.
And like at 6,000, Ikinari, I just like get pushed in the back, which is pretty fun. I just have to keep it from 6,000 to 9,000 and I get all the power there.
These headers are beautiful. Spoon?
Yep.
Oh, they're so pretty.
Skunk to intake.
Is the valve cover this color, or is that usually red, right?
It was repainted.
And then the wing, you got the
The Voltex.
Voltex Type 1.
Type 1
1400.
1400
Yep.
millimeters.
So this is pretty much. Oh, I'm ordering Type 2,
Yeah.
but
Oh, you're not taking the J's?
I am.
Yet?
It is the same one.
Oh,
So
it is.
J's Type 1
Yeah.
is actually Voltex Type 2
So,
with a different end plate. But man, this looks so good.
it's pretty aggressive. Like I can feel it when I drive.
Yeah.
When I accelerate, the car actually squats. So I need to put more downforce on the front and change the suspension for something stiffer because it just like I feel like a
Wow.
low rider now.
And the angle of attack isn't even that aggressive. It's pretty flat.
I think it's like the medium setup. Yeah, it is a medium setup. They could go a bit more aggressive or a bit less.
Sick.
Halfway.
Oh, dude, I'm so excited. How long did it take for this wing to arrive?
8 months.
8 months. Oh my god.
So hang in there.
Oh jeez. It's gonna be worth it though. So my plan is to run the wing like a little bit forward right here. Run both the ducktail and the GT wing. It's gonna look sick.
You're gonna keep that part.
Yep. But this looks amazing.
It's pretty nice. The overall balance, because of the cut bumper, is a bit weird. It's a bit too high. So I'm gonna have to put a rear diffuser
Okay.
to like balance it back to like a good height.
I see. You mean like, oh, I see, yeah, visually, because you have
the
no...
whole car is a bit high now
Yep.
on the rear. But from the side, with the car being as low as it is and with the lip here, it actually looks very nice.
Yeah, it looks amazing. We should like get like a little bit more light. Like maybe like over there. Let's just move over there. Nice. Sick. Oh, it's so pretty.
FRP hatch too now.
Yeah?
FRP. It's like 20 or 30 kilos lighter, but you can't even see the difference. This is
painted,
acrylic,
right?
but I'm gonna have to replace it.
And I love the Regas.
Me too.
Those ones have taken a while to come in too, right?
I bought them from a friend who had an Nikkei Civic before,
Okay.
from Ampara.
Oh my gosh. What other cool parts? Like this fender cut. This is
One off.
one off, right? So the guy or
Stock fender cut, and you add FRP on the back. And since in the meantime I added those like fender brackets,
Yep.
we had to actually cut the FRP part to be able to fit those brackets.
do you feel it make any difference? I mean, it looks awesome stylistically.
When braking, oh wait, the fenders of brackets.
The fender cut and the brackets, of
The
course.
fender cut is just for heat dissipation mostly,
Yep.
and it looks cool.
Yep.
And the brackets is when you brake, it actually helps the car stabilize better. But there was a lot, the suspension are not keeping up with the engine power now. So I need to change them because it's just too soft.
Olins maybe?
BC Racing,
Oh, okay.
I think. But some days soon.
How do you like the spoon brakes?
It's nice. It's nice. They
Is this,
fade a
is
bit.
this stronger than the stock ones?
Yeah, way stronger. But they fade a bit after a few laps.
Okay.
So you just have to anticipate this. So except for that, they're nice, very nice.
And the front bumper is not.
It is stock, but
Oh, it
they
is.
actually sanded the license plate part and completely made
Nice.
it disappear to put it there, and counters, like carbon counters on the side.
Oh, the counters are sick.
I thought this was mostly for looks.
Yeah.
So it was like each month, so I bought them just because
That's so cheap
it looks
for counters.
right. And real carbon. And I put them on, and every time on the Stoko when there are the little bumps,
Yep.
the car just fucking digs in.
Oh.
It's super scary. So thank God I have the wing now because it actually stabilizes the whole balance of the car.
Yeah. Otherwise, it creates too much downforce.
It was insane.
Wow.
The first time I was like, the fuck is that?
And what's on the side, the black thing?
The PCI side skirts.
Oh, okay.
So this too is pretty cheap. It was like Sandman for both.
Mm-hmm.
And it's imported from America. And it's pretty nice too. Yeah, this little part here.
It looks like a girder to make a building or something.
Well,
And
pretty strong too.
I still love how you keep the
Whiteboard.
whiteboard in there. Keep some messages. And everything's it's pretty stripped now, except for the
The seats.
passenger side.
Yeah. There is a floor mat for comfort.
And this has changed. This is upgraded slightly. Before it was
It was for Shaken.
okay.
For Shaken, I needed to have some pads around the bars because if you
I see.
it's super. And I found those design there
Yep.
at home center,
Yep.
and I love this. So I'm gonna put them
Nice.
all around.
Yeah,
Like
this
I've
is-
already done it, but it's stickers in the back. But all the bars under have already this sticker on it.
I really like it. It's
Yeah.
it's kind of become like your your design thing.
Yeah, it's like really this guy is dangerous because I'm not even gonna hide it anymore. Like people know I'm fucking dangerous.
Oh man. And these double bride seats, it really sets it off. It looks so good
Yeah.
because the
Super
original DC2 ones are red, right?
Yep.
So it's good that they're both red.
New tires for the Taikyu on Sunday.
RE71. Oh, on the back here.
Yeah.
Apotenzas.
Nanaichiares.
Nice. Yeah. So you're gonna be in the same race as Indra, right?
Yep.
Nice.
Since I cut the bumper, there is nothing to hold the license plate anymore.
Yeah. So
default by Honda, you can pull it like this to remove the bumper, which is a basic KAERUZOKU style.
Yep.
But I can actually do that now.
Ah, okay. That's great for
Pictures.
activities.
Pictures.
Yeah, pictures. To give it the style.
I drive and I brake a bit too hard. The license plate actually like gets like this by itself.
It looks very purposeful now. It's
Yeah,
you know.
it's terrible to drive. Like it has the same like aura as the EF, which is if I'm not pushing it, it's hell. But after 6,000 RPM, it starts feeling good.
It's a different car,
Yeah.
right?
Aluminum.
Okay. Oh,
So
it's aluminum. Okay.
Super loud inside. It's louder inside than outside, and you can't even hear the how can I say the exhaust anymore because of how loud the vibrations are.
Very nice.
Rev it a bit if you want. You're gonna feel it.
Man, this is cool.
Well, my latest thing I had.
Yeah.
Do you have like the cell phone over there?
Yeah.
Not the iPhone, the other one.
This one?
Yep. Which is connected to Hondash. Like this.
Oh, nice.
I'm actually rev with the normal one.
Oh, and there's almost no latency.
Yeah, it's very.
Wow, it's pretty much instant.
Yeah.
Oh, this is cool. I gotta come for a ride in this sometime.
It's a bit sketchy right now, but when everybody starts to chill a bit,
Yep.
we can go for sure.
I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, had me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what. Add it up, told her if it's all me, everything is on me, gon' back it up.
Bit far, huh? Whoops. Two Hondas, just chilling. Middle of January. Honda buddies. There's just something about these old Hondas that just really does it for us. You know, they're not the fastest, they're not the most powerful, but they just have so much, I don't know, like spirit to them. Here's a Duck 2000. Good. Oh, this thing looks so cool. Oh, that wing. Nice. Good to see you, friend.
Yeah.
So you got the wing back on?
Full on aerial spec with the
Is it a different one? It's the same one?
Yeah, it's the same one.
Okay.
With a can't delete, so it stinks as hell.
It's like a what's it called? Like a pit stop or something. Yeah, the N case, right?
No.
Or
They're
what's it called?
actually made by Dunlop. It's called Direzza.
Oh,
So it's Direzza RZF. So it's kind of a special size. In the rear is 17 by 9.5
yeah.
plus 48, and in front it's 8.5 plus 50.
Oh, so it's not square anymore.
It is square. I
Okay.
still use 255 square.
Oh, I see.
But
And you have like 3 degrees of camber in the front now, right?
yeah, 3.5 actually.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
So it must like really dive into the
Yeah, it does.
turn.
It does. It really does.
I love how unique it looks now.
Yeah.
Duck 2000.
so kind of only one in Japan.
Yeah, I feel like you have to just like keep it like this forever now.
It's kind of like a trademark.
It is. Like if you made like stickers and stuff, or
Yeah.
like it just looks so cool actually. Dude, I just installed the front lip spoiler.
I saw it. I saw it on Instagram. It looks nice.
Yeah, it looks good, right?
Yeah, it looks clean.
You got Taniguchi's signature right there on your dash, right?
The real Nobu Taniguchi himself. He actually drove this car. He lectured me.
You gotta get everybody to sign it.
Like ALBO Media Association.
Yeah. in a little place that nobody can see. Who we have here? Indra and a GTR. Hey, buddy. We got a car show lineup going on here, and the main reason is because of our staggered setup. Okay, that looks sick. I love the color scheme setup over here. It's like basically white, black, and yellow, and the whole crew just kind of matches somehow. So this car had a podium finish the other day at Fuji, and you're gonna be racing tomorrow again, right?
Yep, that's the plan. Well, at least I got what I wanted. It's a podium finish.
And that splitter's sick. Encountered. Like Ken's here too. What up?
All right, yeah, see you next time.
Because of COVID-19, recently big gatherings have been discouraged, so we've been relegated to just hanging up by ourselves, which is a lot of fun in its own right. Scrape.
That's not big lights.
Nope. Oh, that's cool.
They will appear on NHK very soon.
This is just a nice chill night, just hanging out here. And really it was just us and a few other people over there, but we just kind of stuck to ourselves. It's one of my favorite things about the S2000.